Hello, I'm here again, guys. Now, today is Sunday and the weather is so good. If you can see, I'm wearing my sunglasses. It's because the sun is so high and I decided to stay in my garden. I've been here since the morning and I have started already cleaning up, and I'm going to mow, and I'm going to show you the variety of chili of Mr. Mags. Yes, yung mga kaibigan ko, for all my friends who loves gardening, this year Mr. Mags decided to plant variety of chilies, which I'm going to show to you later. Come on guys, let's go and start cleaning the garden. From the Philippines. We planted this during the spring. So every time na mag-brown siya ng ganyan, this like this, yeah, you have to take that out so that it will flower again. And just like this one, that one. Can you see that? I want to take that out. Yeah, that one as well. Yan. Para it will flower again. See? This one as well. Look. This one I've taken the dead flowers already. Guys, it's called geranium. Yes, yan po ang geranium. We planted it during spring and it lasts until summer if you know how to look after it. So, ayan po siya. Oh, tingnan mo. Ang dami niya, no? Oh. And then same as our begonia. That one. This red one is the begonia. That white and yellow is also begonia. It also lasts too long. Ang aking hydrangea, ayan, dead na ang aking hydrangea. I really do not know how to look after this one. I think I have to start cutting this. I'm not so sure when should I cut it so that next year mag-grow na naman siya. I always try to do I think I bought already 10 hydrangea, but that's the only one that is left. And then this is new one again. Every year we're buying hydrangea. Guys, break time muna. I just called friendship and we will have a good coffee. Yes, it's either iced coffee or hot coffee, whatever. But I will have a break because it's so hot and I need to drink. Break time. last year I've shown you the what's this chilies that Mr. Mags has planted, and you remember I managed to create a lot of vinegar, guys, it's sinamak. I managed to make several sinamak because I had a lot of chili for the sinamak. This time or this year, Mr. Mags planted a variety of chilies, different kinds. So I'm going to show you that. Okay, let's go. We'll start first from the chili, the tiny chili that we always put in our sinamak. It's actually a dip for any fish or anything, vegetables or whatever, and it makes the chili spicy, very spicy. So whatever that I had last year, we kept it inside the house during winter, and it is still alive. It is still alive. And now, guys, I'm going to show you where it is now. Okay, come on. Now, look at that. Guys, let's go down. That's it. This one is the chili from last year. So what we did what we did is we took it inside the house so that it will be it will still be alive, it will be kept warm. And now, guys, ang dami na naman yung chili. Tingnan mo, look. Yan, ang dami. So we're going to create some sinamak again from here. Yeah, some of my friends harvested this already, and there's still loads of them. Look, diba? Ang ganda. And here, next to it, let me take it out. Right, we've got this biggie ones. Ginagamit ito ni Mr. Mags for afritada. Yes, this can be used for afritada. Ang dami din niya. Look, it has a lot of fruits as well. Look, let me take you out. Look, ang dami, diba? So good. Kailan dami na niyang yung mga dahon niya, may mga insekto. There's some insects eating it. There's more here, and you know what? It really smells good. Pimiento. Yes, this is a pimiento. Kasi ang bango-bango niya. It really smells so good. Guys, let's go to the other one. This time, we have jalapeno. So, I'm going to show you the jalapeno. Correct me if I'm wrong. I call this jalapeno. Look, ang dami din niya. Oh, diba? Oh, there. See? Ang dami din. Mr. Mags is so reluctant to harvest it, but I really want to harvest it now. Let's go the other side. Kasi, ang dami na niyang fruits. Oh, look. See? Again, so after the jalapeno, I have another one here. Yeah, Mr. Mags planted it. I think this is the same as the one that we're using for our sinamak, for our dip. Yeah, that's another one. And I know there's another one here. Look. There you are. Yes, Mr. Mags is fond of planting chili, which actually is really good. Hopefully next year, we're going to try something else. I want to try tomatoes as well. No, actually, guys, to be honest to you, it's not me who is planting it. It's me who is enjoying it. It's me who is vlogging it. But it's Mr. Mags who is planting it. So, guys, I hope you enjoyed watching me cleaning my garden and seeing all my chilies and spending time with me under the sun. And guys, I will stay here until later, and it's time to say goodbye and thank you for watching my video. Please do not forget to like and subscribe. Bye.